When dealing with the effects of BPA, it is becoming more and more serious every day. People are getting ill due to all the BPA that is found in water bottles. Now, I admit that I am one of those people that reuses a water bottle that is meant for a one-time use. And I know several people that Gatorade bottles are similar to water bottles, and they put them in the washer, and they'll run it, and then they get it out, and they think it's just like a regular water bottle and use it over and over and over again. But now they're starting to see the effects and how it's hurting people. The FDA has proven that BPA in water bottles, such as this kind, are meant for one-time use, and that BPA can be found in it if it's more used than the water that was put in it. Now, many people tend to think that there's not much of a difference, that they all look the same, and that they all are pretty much the same, except for the fact that these are a lot thinner than most water bottles. But if you ever notice that on a case of water bottles that you're purchasing, it does not say BPA free, because over time BPA can be produced in it, and the plastic starts to tear off and it gets into your bloodstream, and that's when illness can occur. I personally know that from experience, one of my teachers as a child thought that he could reuse water bottles multiple times and not get ill from them. He later found out that he did have the plastic in these water bottles inside of his bloodstream from it, and he is serving major health problems due to it. The Health and Wellness magazine also stated that the proper form of a water bottle should be thicker plastic, and it should always say BPA free. Reusing water bottles is a very, very life-threatening thing and can harm many people, which is why nowadays bottles, when you purchase bottles for infants, say BPA free on them, and it's one of their largest attractions to the bottle, because so many children were finding BPA in their blood and it was killing them. Nowadays, they're converting to glass. They're saying glass is the best. Glass should help. But when it comes to being effective and efficient for you, plastic is always better. So when looking for it, you should always want to check out BPA. And like I said, the Health and Wellness magazine is prompting to use glass. Glass will help you, glass water bottles. But when you're running, you don't want to have to hold on to a glass bottle. Glass is a lot heavier. So when looking for a water bottle, maybe you shouldn't just grab one that's in a pack. You should consider getting one that is durable and thick, says BPA free. The Camelback ones I know are very, very, very effective on that, and one of the most popular ones around because they're BPA free, they're lightweight, and many hikers use them. Like today, hikers are substituting bottled water in for an actual thing of water that they can purchase, and it's not this thin plastic that comes with it. And also, another effect of it is the wrappers that are on this are hurting other animals in the ocean. So switching over to a thicker bottle, more permanent bottle that can be washable should be people's next step, because it's not only saving our earth, it's also saving the health of other people. And by not using as many of these, we're not going to find these in oceans as much, and the animals won't be having pollution as much, because we will have the permanent water bottles that we can reuse multiple times over and over again that are meant for reusable use. And we will have less people being sick because they're reusing these, which are thin plastic, and they're reusing the other ones that can help and prevent getting BPA in their bodies and allowing it continuing on from generation to generation. And maybe one day we will ban the regular bottled water.